have done the introduction for you of this lesson. That is a lesson for Nakul, written by the author of this lesson is Neela Subramaniam. Okay, so this is the prose lesson number 5, which I am going to do today from the text. And already the story narration and the meanings are already mentioned to you in the earlier class. So this lesson begins like this. As it is, I have told you the story, saying that this is the story of Nakul, who is a boy of standard 6. Okay, so this story begins like this, children. The boys of class 6 came out of the exam hall. So as even you all have got exams. So after your exams over, what you will do, children? You will go out, you will discuss the papers with your friends to find out how many answers are right, how many answers are wrong. All the discussions will take place. What was this answer? So same thing now also, here Nakul is writing the exam and he is coming out of the exam hall and see what's happening. How did the maths paper go? I asked Akash, who was waiting outside. So when Nakul came out, he saw Akash standing and he is asking, Akash, how did the maths paper go? I asked Akash, so how was your maths paper? That day it was a maths exam and so he is asking, how was your maths paper today? So, I finished all the problems, though it was quite a tussle, replied Tarun, the monitor of the class. So this question was asked to whom? Tarun. Also, Tarun is asking for Akash. So what is the answer is given? So answer is given as so, means it's not so good, not so bad. I finished all the problems, all the work is being done, all the problems are solved, though it was quite a tussle. Tussle means it was little complicated. Okay, replied Tarun when Akash asked, I asked Akash it is. See the first one, children, don't get confused. How did the maths paper go? I asked Akash. So it was asked to Akash and what does the reply comes? So who says? Tarun. Who is Tarun? Tarun is the monitor of the class 6. Nakul came in just then. So when this discussion was going on, who comes out? Nakul comes there. He looked depressed. Depressed means sad. You can understand when an exam doesn't go well, you will be depressed, you will be sad. You won't be happy. So same thing here, Nakul also was in depression. What's up, Nakul? Maths is your favorite subject. Akash was surprised. So Akash saw the appearance of Nakul and he came to know that he is sad and so he is asking, Maths is your favorite subject and why you have it was and what is this? What's up with you? He is asking. Who is asking? Akash is asking for Nakul. I decided to answer the tough problem first and leave the easy ones for the last 10 minutes. But they took more time than I expected. So I couldn't finish 2 questions, Nakul replied. So what is the answer Nakul is giving to Akash? He is saying, I left the objectives to write last and I did the big problem sums I thought of solving first. So but the time consumption was more to do the problem big sums, okay, which are of the more marks. So for that only I took more time and later on for the objectives. Okay, what happened? Which was easy ones. Okay, so for that I didn't get time and what happened to him? He couldn't finish 2 questions, means he left 2 questions. So who gives this answer? Replies? Nakul replies. Never mind, it's not the final exam. Write faster next time or set your watch 10 minutes ahead so that you can answer all the questions. Akash consoled him. So Akash is consoling Nakul. What is Akash saying to Nakul? Don't worry, this is not the final exam. So next time you can do it better. You try to do it faster, still faster. And you keep your 10 minutes your watch ahead. Meaning to say you come to know the time is getting over. So don't keep your watch exactly, keep 10 minutes further so that you can have enough ample of time to complete your sums. It's easy to say that as you don't have to worry, Nakul retorted. So to say it is easy, but when it is done, you will come to know. Meaning to say, he is taunting. Who Nakul is taunting Akash. To say it is easy, but to put it in practice, it is difficult. Yes, when we say everyone, anyone, anything, it is easily we say. But when it comes to our turn, we will have difficulty to do the same. See this. Akash was a new boy. He had joined the boarding school almost at the end of the first term. So Akash is not the old student of the school. He is a new boy. And when did he join? At the end of the first term of the school. Means one term, two terms you have got. SA1 and SA2. So at the end of the first term, he had just joined the school and he was a new student. When the room was silent that night, Akash woke up suddenly. He looked at the next bed and saw that Nakul was awake. So when the room, in the night, when the lights and all are off, and it is night and all, Akash once only he wakes up in the night, and what does he see? Suddenly he looked at the next bed. Next bed, who is sleeping? Nakul is sleeping. There Akash found that Nakul was awake. He was not sleeping. What's the matter? Akash whispered. So again Akash is worried and he is asking about Nakul. Why you woke up? What's the matter? I have made a terrible mistake, Nakul said. So Nakul is saying, no, I have made a mistake. So I woke up from my sleep and I am sitting. What's the mistake? Asked Akash. I am sure I have forgotten something. I think I have either written my name or my roll number on the maths answer script. Nakul numbered dejectedly. So he is feeling dejected. Dejected means he is not remembering what he has written in the answer script. Whether he has written his name, whether he has written his roll number. So that made him to wake up and to sit and think what had happened, what he has done on the earlier paper. Oh, is that all? I thought something awful had happened. Akash was relieved. Look, it's just 9:30. Sir is sure to be up. Let's go and see him. You can explain what's wrong. So, what he say? Nothing is there now. It is not late. It is just 9:30. So, sir is sure to be up. He may not have slept still. So, we can go there and we can clear your doubt. That is not a big issue. So, let's go and see him. You can explain what wrong you have done. You are coming too? Thanks. Nakul looked relieved as the two boys crept out of the room and walked to the master's study. So now both the boys, then what Nakul is saying for Akash, are you also joining with me? Yes, Akash will surely join because he wants to help Nakul. So both of them goes together and they go to the master study room. Mr. Varghese was startled to see them and listened to Nakul's stammered explanation. He unlocked a drawer and went through the answer script. So Mr. Varghese was startled. Constantly, why these boys came in so late night to my room? So he was little bit shaken, startled, but he listened to explanation of Nakul. Nakul was stammering and explaining, means his voice was not clear. Because he was in fear that what mistake he might have done. So what does the sir do? He unlocks the drawer and he goes through the answer script of Nakul. You have written your name and roll number, Nakul. You panicked unnecessarily. He watched them leave his room. So later on what sir says, nothing is wrong. You have written your name also, you have written your roll number also. Saying that these boys left the room and comes out. Soon the exams were behind them and the next event the boys looked forward to was the school annual day. So after the exam was over, what the children are looking forward now? For the annual day. As Nakul was tall and well built for his age, the master chose him to play an important role in a drama. So Nakul was having a good personality, he was tall, so he was given a main role, important role in the drama. Help, I have got to learn I had so many lines. So he groans. I will help you to practice till your word perfect, Akash train. So that's all, I'll help you. You can practice it. I'll see that till you practice until you are perfect, I will help you out. Who says this? Akash, he wants to become, he is a friend of Nakul. Nakul was glad for his generous offer, and with Akash's constant rehearsal, soon learned his lines. So Nakul was glad, he was very thankful, but he is not expressing it. But at the same time, with the help of Akash, Nakul was able to practice, and Akash was ready to take the rehearsal, and like this way soon Nakul learned all the lines. I hope I won't forget the words. Nakul looked tense before the curtain went up. So now Nakul is saying, I hope I won't go any wrong on the stage when I say my lines, when the curtain is going up. Don't worry, the words will come to you easily, Akash encouraged. So Akash is encouraging, don't worry, the words will easily come to you. As you keep on saying, it will come one after the other, so don't take tension. To his surprise, Nakul found that he actually enjoyed his role, and after doing it, he was so happy and he really enjoyed the role what he had done. Who was that? Nakul. But how did Nakul do, children? With the help of whom? With the help of Akash. It is that only he was able to do it. That's Akash. You are a real gem, he said warmly. So now first time Nakul is thanking Akash and he is telling you are a really gem of the person. I am glad I could help you, Akash replied. The next day the students were taken to a picnic spot. So here till here this thing is over, now gathering is over, exams are over. The next thing what they have got is about their picnic. So from here I will continue in the next class. Thank you children. Watch the video and understand better. Have a nice day.